Hi, it's your girl Melissa. Welcome to Cadillac Cooking. Hey, this your girl Melissa. Welcome to Cadillac Cooking. It's been a while since I've seen you, but today we're going to have some crab salad. It's something simple, it's something fresh. Summer's almost out. Well, it's actually getting ready to be fall, but you can eat this all year long, and it is great for the Christmas holidays. Okay, it's simple. What we do is take some fresh crab, and actually, this is imitation crab that I like to make it with. It's imitation, it's pollock fish and crab. Flakes, and you can get it. It's in the package, but it says flake, but you're gonna have to work with your hands to break it up. Okay, next we're going to have some, we're gonna throw in some celery. It's easy, I'm telling you. I'm gonna throw in some celery, some onions. I'm throwing it all in here so you can see it. I'm gonna show it to you because my camera, I don't have it acting right today because it's been a long time since I did this, but we're gonna get it through it. Check this out. See how easy that is? And let me tell you what you're going to do. I call it the dump method. You just dump a whole bunch of stuff in here, honey, and watch it turn out to be good. Okay, we're going to take some chives. People use fresh chives. I'm going to just sprinkle me a few chives up in here. Just sprinkle as much, because it's all about the flavor and what you want to taste in your crab salad. Okay, so we're going to do chives. Okay, keep up with me because I'm going to go fast. We're going to do dill. I love dill. Okay. Gonna do a little garlic powder, just a little bit to taste. You know, you don't want to be tasting garlic and breath, you know. But hey, some people love garlic. I'm gonna put a little black pepper in here, just a little bit. And you know what I'm gonna put in here? And I don't know what's wrong with my Old Bay top, but it wants to come off all the time. And Lord, I don't want it to come all the way in here. Who was that calling me in the middle of my video? Okay, put this here. Put a little Old Bay on it. We're going to squeeze a little lemon juice on it. If I can get it open. Okay, this is a new lemon juice. Normally I have fresh lemon juice, but today I'm going to just do a little bit. Okay, a little bit of lemon juice. That's to cut down the little fishy flavor, little fishy flavor. But then you just get you some. I'm going to have to kill that. Because he is just calling me. I know who it is. It's what we having for dinner, man. Okay. But you know, I had some challenges last year. Okay, let me let you look in this bowl and see what's going on. You see that? You see that? Okay. I ain't get this double chin for nothing, honey. After 9 months of not eating no food. I said, am I unrecognizable? Baby, I'm the Cadillac cook, honey. I got some new glasses on there. Well, these are my old glasses. I got them because I've been doing videos and playing with my camera today. And, yeah, taking a break. I'm on my lunch break from Homestock Realty, but I can do that because I am the CEO. Okay, know this. So anyway, we're mixing up the crab salad, and some people put sugar in theirs, and you know what? I'm gonna cut back on my sugar a little bit, and I'm gonna put a little bit of Splenda in mine, just a little bit, because you know, a little Splenda go a long way. Hold that thought. Cause I know some people, they be like, you know, they made this sweet honey, and that little Splenda go a long way. So you really don't, you don't really need it, a lot of it. So I'm mixing it up, and I'm gonna tell you how. I want you to see how pretty this is. And honey, you get yourself some Ritz crackers, cause you know everything go good on the Ritz. Okay. Okay. Let me just show you how this gonna look. Okay. I'm gonna do it good this time. I'm gonna play it a little bit for you with a couple of crackers and let you see how pretty this looks. Cause you know you might like it a little bit. You know. Look at that. Let me show you that. Voila. Beautiful, beautiful crab salad. Yes. Easy peasy crab salad. Get you some. Few ingredients. Life of the party. See you later. This is Cadillac Cooking out. Thank you for visiting Cadillac Cooking. You can always hit the subscribe button or email me at cadillaccooking@gmail.com for the recipes. Thank you.